Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building another steam locomotive here, and this is another one from the UK. And this is the SECR D1 class, and it is a 440. And this is what it looks like, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with some deep slate tile blocks for the front wheels, and put a deep slate tile block on each rail with an end rod in between them. Then behind it on the upper hitbox, 2 rows of 3 polished black stone slabs. Then another set of deep slate tile wheels with an end rod axle. Then put a stone button on all 4 wheels and 2 dark oak fence gates on either side of the middle here. Then come on the top middle, start right here, and do a line of 14 netherite blocks coming backwards down the middle up here. So 14 blocks in total, including this front one. Then up here, on the second layer, we're going to go 5 wide with red nether brick walls. Then put a sideways fence gate on the center and one up here. On these outer edges, put a deep slate polished wall and close a trapdoor on each one. Then we're going to come on the side of the netherite, 1 block back from this wheel, put a polished deep slate wall here, and 2 on bottom like this, and then 2 on this side here. Behind that, on the netherite, we're going to use deep slate tile stairs for the driving wheels, and we're going to make a 2x2 plus shape of stairs here. Then leave 2 empty blocks, and on the third block behind this, another 2x2 plus shape of deep slate tile stairs for the other wheel. Then we're just going to repeat that on this side, exactly aligned with it. So 1 here, skip 2 back, 1 here, and make these 2x2 plus shapes of stairs as well here. Then we'll come to the back and put a dark oak slab here, and then 3 dark oak fence gates under the back middle. Then in between the wheels here, we're going to put 3 polished black stone slabs underneath there. Then take smooth stone slabs on the upper hitbox of this stair, do 4 here, and a skeleton skull here and here. And then we'll repeat it on this side. So 4 smooth stone slabs here, then a skeleton skull here and here. Then we're going to come up in this corner up here, put 2 upside down backward facing polished deep slate stairs on either side there. Then behind that, on the edge of this netherite, 4 polished deep slate slabs up here, and then out here a line of 6 polished deep slate slabs. And we'll repeat on this side, so 4 slabs in here, and then out here a line of 6. Then, on top of the very back polished deep slate slab on each outer edge, a forward facing polished deep slate stair like this. Then we're going to come behind where the stair is, and put a polished deep slate block on the back of each of these 2 stairs. Then a backward facing stair behind each of those blocks on the outer edge. Then we need to turn around and get a stair up here going the other way so it makes this U shape. Same thing here, get a polished deep slate stair going forward up here. Then a polished deep slate block here and here. Then starting in between those blocks, we're going to do a 3x3 of polished deep slate coming forward right here. Then another 3x3 above it, and a third 3x3 above that. In front of this, on the bottom middle on the upper hitbox, we're going to put 5 polished deep slate slabs on the center, and above that 2 rows of 5 polished deep slate block. Then on here, 5 upside down polished deep slate stairs and 5 right side up stairs above it. Repeat on this side, so a row of upside down stairs, then a row of right side up stairs. Then in front of this in the middle, 2 columns of 3 black stone brick block. Then 2 upside down black stone brick stairs on the second layer here, 2 right side up above it. Then copy on this side, 2 upside down, 2 right side up. Then we'll come on the middle on top of the front and do a black stone brick slab, then a block with a slab on top. Then 2 polished deep slate slabs and a polished deep slate block with a stone button, 2 polished deep slate slabs. Then on this 3x3, we're going to do this C shape of polished deep slate slabs. And then we're going to open a bamboo fence gate here, put a backward facing dragon head here. Then we're going to come out on this side here, and we need to come 1 block from this outer edge And we're going to put a bamboo fence underneath right here, then a sideways bamboo fence gate, and a bamboo fence above that fence gate. Then the other side slightly different. On this side, we're going to put a deep slate brick wall here with a bamboo fence on top of it. Then in front of it, a column of 2 lightning rods like that. Now we'll do the cap, so take out a polished deep slate stair here. And we're going to come down back here. And we need an upside down forward facing stair on the side of the wheel here. Then we're going to do this L shape of polished deep slate blocks like this right here. And an outward facing stair here. And we'll repeat on this side. So a block here, stair here, 2 blocks here, and an upside down stair facing forward here. Then on the top of each outer edge here, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate blocks and 2 rows of 3 on this side. Then we're going to come on the front of this on each side with a polished deep slate stair. And we're going to put an inward facing stair here and here, then a backward facing stair behind each one. Then up here, 3 outward facing polished blackstone stairs like this, and 3 outward facing right here. Build the middle of this cap roof in a 3x3 of polished blackstone blocks here. Then finally, on the top middle of the back, 3 slabs on the very top like that. Then come down here, and we're going to put 3 stone buttons right here. Come to this side, 3 stone buttons here. Then under this stair, put a mangrove sign and type SECR. Hit it with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Then repeat on this side, so put a mangrove sign here, and we'll type SECR, and we'll hit it with yellow dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come up here on the front outer edge, put 2 polished deep slate slabs here, and a mangrove sign here. Then repeat here, so 2 slabs here, and a mangrove sign here. Then on these front corners, we're going to put a lever going backwards here, and 1 on this side, and then a skeleton skull next to each one. Then 2 sideways fence gates here, and a polished blackstone button on the middle here. Then we're going to take out end rods, and we're going to come off the front of the cab here, and do a line of horizontal end rods on this level, coming all the way forward to the front of the locomotive here. Just like that. And do the same thing on this side. Start right here with end rods, and we'll do a line of horizontal end rods coming all the way forward until you're aligned with the front here. Then we'll come around the back and work inside the cab here. In here, do a 3x3 of netherite. And actually this front middle block needs to be a nether brick block, and light that on fire. Put a blackstone brick block on either side of it and on top. Then a blackstone brick stair outward here and here. Then put a bamboo fence gate up here and open it. A lever down here and here. Then on this bottom corner, put an item frame with a compass. Then right here on the top middle, put 3 dark oak trapdoors there. Now we'll do the tender, so come behind this slab, skip 1 block back from it, and put a deep slate tile wheel on each rail. On the upper hitbox behind it, a 3x3 of polished blackstone slabs. Then another set of deep slate tile wheels. Then another 3x3 of polished blackstone slabs. Then a final set of deep slate tile wheels. Then put an end rod axle in between all 3 sets of wheels here. Then go through and put a skeleton skull on the side of all 6 of these wheels. Then on the side of the slabs, we're going to put 3 fence gates each. Same thing here, so 3 here and 3 here. Then take out chiseled polished blackstone, come off this slab in the middle, and do a line right down the middle till you're above these back wheels. Then up here on the second layer, 5 wide of nether brick red walls. Then a fence gate in the middle, a polished deep slate wall on either side, and close a trapdoor on each of those. Then in front of this, in this upper hitbox, we're going to do 2 rows of polished deep slate slabs up here, and bring it to the front of this tender right here. And of course, same thing on this side, start here, 2 rows of polished deep slate slabs across the top here. Then we're going to put a dark oak fence gate for a ladder on this corner, and then 1 right here. Same thing here, 1 here, and 1 here. Then on each front corner, put a column of 2 polished deep slate walls, 3 polished deep slate blocks in between it on bottom. Then behind the wall on this outer edge, we're going to fill the whole side in, 2 blocks tall, with polished deep slate blocks here. And we're going to bring that down till just before the red nether brick walls, and then come right across the back 2 high, and all the way back up this side 2 blocks tall. Then we'll come up front right here, put 1 polished deep slate here, 1 here, and a block of coal in the center right there. Then right here, 3 iron trapdoors in the middle, then 1 block back on each side, a forward-facing polished deep slate stair. Then 3 polished deep slate blocks on either side, and 2 slabs behind it on each side. Across the back, a 3x3 of polished deep slate blocks in here. And then we'll go back to polished deep slate stairs. And we're going to do 3 backward-facing stairs across here. In front of that, 2 rows of 3 coal. And right here, 3 slabs on the bottom hitbox. Then we're going to come to the back here. And on this back end, on the right-hand side, we're going to put 2 stone buttons in a column. Then we're going to put an oak sign here and a skeleton skull over there. Then on the middle back here, we're going to do 2 deep slate brick slabs here. Then we're going to take out a cobweb off this smokestack, and we're just going to come up and back and up and back, however much smoke you want coming out of your locomotive, just on a diagonal like that. Then we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a gray banner and white dye, do a horizontal on top, then a diagonal. New banner, vertical on the right, horizontal in the middle, vertical on the top and bottom. New banner. This diagonal, then a horizontal on top and bottom. Then go to gray dye and put a gray border around all 3 of them. And this will be for the number, so we're going to come on the side of the tender here, and we're going to align right here with the center and put 735. And we'll do the same thing on this side, align with the center of the tender here and put 735. Then we're going to take a stone button and 1 on each top corner of the tender. Same thing on this side, so 1 here and 1 right here. And that completes the tender. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our SECR D1 steam locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed this quick little build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.